Welcome to Al-Rehman Vocabulary Series. Eatables,
Dahi,
yogurt, Y-O-G-U-R-T,
Lassi,
whey, W-H-E-Y,
Doodh,
milk, M-I-L-K,
Balai,
milk cream, M-I-L-K milk, C-R-E-A-M cream,
Chai,
tea, T-E-A,
Coffee,
coffee, C-O-F-F-E-E,
Chini,
sugar, S-U-G-A-R,
Shakar,
brown sugar, B-R-O-W-N, brown, S-U-G-A-R, sugar,
Gur,
jiggery, J-I-G-G-E-R-Y,
Shahid,
honey, H-O-N-E-Y,
Faluda,
flummery, F-L-U-M-M-E-R-Y,
Jalebi,
funnel cake, F-U-N-N-E-L, funnel, C-A-K-E, cake,
Halwa,
pudding, P-U-D-D-I-N-G,
Svayam,
vermicelli, V-E-R-M-I-C-E-L-L-I,
Cake,
cake, C-A-K-E,
Biscuit,
biscuit or cookies, B-I-S-C-U-I-T, biscuit, C-O-O-K-I-E-S, cookies,
Paneer,
cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E,
Hamir,
yeast, Y-E-A-S-T,
Makhan,
butter, B-U-T-T-E-R,
Ghee,
G-H-E-E, ghee,
Tel,
oil, O-I-L,
Gandum,
wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat,
Jo,
barley, B-A-R-L-E-Y,
Bajra,
millet, M-I-L-L-E-T,
Makai,
maize, M-A-I-Z-E,
Challi,
corn, C-O-R-N,
Atta,
flour, F-L-O-U-R,
Maida,
white flour or fine flour, W-H-I-T-E, white, F-L-O-U-R, flour, F-I-N-E, fine, F-L-O-U-R, flour,
Besan,
gram flour, G-R-A-M, gram, F-L-O-U-R, flour,
Dalia,
porridge, P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E,
Suji,
Samolina, S-E-M-O-L-I-N-A,
Zaitun,
olive, O-L-I-V-E,
Gosht,
meat, M-E-A-T,
Bada Gosht,
beef, B-E-E-F,
Chota Gosht,
mutton, M-U-T-T-O-N,
Keema,
minced meat, M-I-N-C-E-D, minced, M-E-A-T, meat,
Murhi ka Gosht,
chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N,
Salan,
curry, C-U-R-R-Y,
Salat,
salad, S-A-L-A-D,
Chane,
gram, G-R-A-M,
Bune Hui Chane,
roasted gram, R-O-A-S-T-E-D, roasted, G-R-A-M, gram,
Mashroot,
beverage, B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E,
Imli,
tamarind, T-A-M-A-R-I-N-D,
Sirka,
vinegar, V-I-N-E-G-A-R. Don't forget to subscribe Al-Rehman Academy. Thank you.